Hello crafters, Gareth from G's, no not G's Creations, Elf Creations. As you may know, in my dining room this year I'm having a kind of food themed Christmas home decor. That's my theme for the dining room Christmas. It's going to be candy canes, sweets, gingerbread men, that type of thing, and I'm trying to get a few things together to display. I found these really cheaply on eBay. These are wooden handled but plastic rolling pins. Now I've already put an eyelet in the top here so I can hang it, and I'm going to turn this into a floral arrangement. Now the way that I thought I would do it is I thought I would create the floral arrangement on here using my hands to, you know, to hold things, because I don't want the floral arrangement to be so large that you don't see any of the detail of the actual what do you call it? This thing here. What do you call these? My mind's just gone blank. The oh my god, what are they? Oh, that's so annoying. God, you know what they are, but my mind has just gone completely blank. This is a poinsettia pick that I bought last Christmas from Poundland, so it's in my stash. So hopefully you'll still have things in your stash that you could use if you recreate this. I'm just going to push out the leaves, and I'm just lifting things up. As long as I get it in my hand. Because the way that I'm going to attach this is I'm going to use a zip tie, a cable tie. So I'm basically creating a floral arrangement in the center here. So just going to push those up. If I can push those up, get up. Yep. And then the way I'm going to secure it onto the rolling pin is by using a cable tie. You could really do with a second pair of hands with this particular craft, and that cable tie is too small, so let me just grab another one. They do big packs of zip ties, cable ties in Poundland, and I'm sure they do them over in your Dollar Trees as well in the US. I'm just going to cable tie this arrangement onto the, and do it as tight as I can, and then once it's on, I'm going to move that to the back. Once it's on, I can then spread out the embellishments, and that didn't take, so I'm going to poke it under the cable tie. I'm wondering if I should put some sort of maybe I'm gonna think about. I sell gingerbread polystyrene forms in my store, gingerbread men polystyrene forms, and this is one I decorated last year. I'm just wondering if I should hot glue him into the center. Maybe if I take you out, and just have this one at the bottom. Maybe if I put you there, and then have you going straight up. Sorry crafters, I'm talking to myself as I'm creating this. And then have you maybe off kilter. Do I want you in the center, or do I not want you at all? I can imagine you're all saying, no Gareth, don't add him, or yes Gareth, add him. That's one of the things I love about my craft channels. I literally think I'm sitting right next to you crafting, so you're all here in my craft space, crafting away with me, giving me ideas and tips. If there's ever anything you'd like to see on this Christmas craft channel, then please share a link. I'll happily take requests. If it's something I'm able to do, then I'll happily do it. Right, I quite like that. And the beauty of this, you can either have it so it's on the side, on a sideboard like that, or I can actually hang it. So let me just chomp off this cable tie. I can put a hanger in the top there, and I have a really unusual decorative piece. Now I can easily add things because all I'm doing is sliding them underneath the cable tie. So you can literally have this as full as you like. You can color theme it. The ideas really are pretty much endless because there's no limits. Why should there be limits? I'm a crafter that just doesn't believe limits should exist. If it's something that you want to achieve, you want to give a go, give it a go. I really like the way that turned out. I'll hang it up and there will be some pictures at the end. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and I will see you again very soon with more Christmas craft. Take care now. Bye bye.